It all begins with the finest ingredients, fresh, vibrant, and ready for their journey. We lay the foundation of flavor, listening to that gentle sizzle as the onions turn golden in aromatic spices. Next, the meat is perfectly seared, locking in all the juices and creating a deep, rich flavor. Next, the meat is perfectly seared, locking in all the juices and creating a deep, rich flavor. Fresh vegetables join the dance, ready to become incredibly tender and soak up all that wonderful flavor. Just look at that incredible sauce, liquid gold, rich with the very essence of Morocco. A final touch of fresh herbs, bringing a beautiful burst of brightness and color. Perfection. The meat is tender, the aromas are intoxicating. This is more than a meal, it's a celebration. Served with love, ready to be shared. This is the heart of Moroccan hospitality. Ready to create this magic in your own kitchen? Get the full recipe at taginerecipes.com.